Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be setting a static IP on my Windows 10 based computer. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to command prompt, so it's CMD. Let's go here, and I want to use a IP address and make it static. So I'm going to see if the IP address that I want to use is being used by another computer right now. So I could type in ping 192.168.1.173. So I want to see if that's being used. So that is unreachable, which means that it's not occupied or being used. That's a good thing. So next thing I want to do is go to control panel, like that. Go to network and internet. Go to network and sharing center. Go to network, change network adapter. Go right here. This is my adapter for my internet. That is something else. That's for VirtualBox. But I'm using this one. So I go to properties. Go to IPv4. Go to properties here, and I want to use that IP address. It's 192.168.1, and I said it was 17. Don't remember. 173. Okay. So that's the subnet mask, and the gateway is 192.168.1.1. The DNS I want to use is Google's. It's 8.8.8.8.8.4.4, and I'm gonna press OK. Okay, everything's working. It's good. Now I'm gonna type ping 192.168.173. And of course, I'm using it right now, so packages are being received, and there's no latency because I'm sending it to the computer that I'm using it to, so it's being used right now, so which is good. So I want to check to see if my IP address is indeed that. So I'm going to put IP config. So this is the IP address that I'm using, and I want to get the MAC address as well. In order for me to get the MAC address, I have to put IP config \all, and I want to see which one that is. Okay, this is the one that I want. And this is the MAC address, which I'm going to copy here. Control C. And my IP address is this one right here. And I'm going to put it into my router. Okay, that's good. So get out of there. So the next thing I want to do is I want to go into my router. I already have it, so I already logged in there. For mine it's 192.168.1.1. So you have to see what your IP address for your router is. But for me it's this, so I'm gonna add this. See if that IP addresses here in my address reservation list. So you just go to DHP and go to address reservation. For your router, it may be different. Every router is different. So I'm going to go see if that IP address is in there, which is 173. It's not in there, which is good. So now I'm going to add it. So I'm going to get the MAC address. Control C to copy this. Control V to copy that. Paste it, I mean. And Control C. Control V. This is what I want to save. And I have to reboot my router in order for these changes to work. Okay, good. It worked. We'll go to DHCP again. Address reservation. See if that's in there. That's the correct MAC address. That's the correct LAN IP address, local area network. That's it. It's done. So I made a static IP address for this computer. So anyways, thanks for watching. By Ace 1000KS 1975 signing out.